How to set photos backup with original quality or storage saver on Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Now on the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down. In here, tap on accounts and backup. From here, tap on backup data, then tap on photos and videos. Here, if you do not have a lot of storage space, you can choose storage saver. So here it says store more at a slightly reduced quality. So you can select that. Or you can set the phone to backup with original quality. And that's it. So select this option if you wanted to. And after that, tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video.